Where's my tea? Alexa. Hello and welcome to Black Wallet Business Tips Wednesday. It's a pleasure as usual to be with you every Wednesday to share tips that will help your businesses. First of all, I want to say thank you to the print shop JFX for preparing those nice uh, marketing equipment for us. We have hats, we have mugs, pens, and everything. Print Shop GFX is a Black Wallet business. So it's a printing business, and then they do a lot of good things for us. So this hat makes me look good, even though I look good already. I want to thank them. And the second thing I want to point out is that tomorrow is Alexa Gail Morrow's birthday. It's my daughter's birthday tomorrow. I don't want to say how old she's gonna be, but I want to wish her a happy birthday. She's growing into a wonderful woman, and I am really proud of the person she's becoming. Happy birthday, Alexa Gail Rose already. And over the weekend, it's gonna be the birthday of another Black Wallet contributor, uh, Jillian K. Mullings, on the 19th, December 19th. It's going to be a birthday. So happy birthday, Jillian. And then the 23rd of this month is going to be the biggest birthday of all, the birthday of yours and only Franklin Moreau. So it's going to be my birthday on the 23rd, and then we're going to go crazy. So stay tuned. And before we start, I want to thank everybody who followed us this week. We had a couple of people. We know Black Wallet is growing slowly, and we want to thank everybody who joined us, and then who keep talking about us, share our videos, like our posts and everything. So thank you very much. We really appreciate you. Keep on doing it. Tell somebody that Black Wallet is doing something amazing. Last Saturday we stopped at Mama's Scent pull-up shop. We had a good time with a lot of business owners with great vision, and we want to keep on doing the same thing. Tonight, what we have for you is 5 tips about year end. Mostly when a year is coming to an end, and then people tend to slack a little bit. They don't do what they're supposed to do because it's a lot of parties. You have to go buy gifts for your family. It's so much that you have to do that sometimes you forget to do what's important. So Black Wallet is here with you tonight to tell you what you need to do for your business. It's a couple of things that you can do, but we compiled 5 most important tips for you for the year end when it comes to your business. First of all, you have to run your reports. What does that mean, run your reports? So you have to know your numbers. When you manage your business, the numbers has to be like your name. Somebody asks you for your numbers, you gotta tell them just like that. You have to know them from the tip of your tongue. You have to run your profit and loss statement, the balance sheet, and we said the cash flow statement, all of your accounting statement. You have to run them. That will tell you where your business is. When you know where you are, what you need, what you want, so you can plan where you want to go. If you have product in a warehouse, that's when you run your inventory. You want the inventory, so you know how many product you have. So your numbers, you have to know them. So when it comes to the year end, you run all of the financial reports. You know everything about your business. So once you know everything about your business, you will know where the business is, what you need to do to get to where you want to go. So running your financial reports, take inventory, it's really, really important. This is one of the things you have to remember to do before the year end. So it will let you know where your business stands, and then what you need to do. If you have to work more, or if you can relax and party with me on the 23rd. So so that's it, people. Run your business reports. It will help you understand where your business stands and then what you need to do. The second thing that you must do that is really important is to evaluate your records. What does that mean? Make a list of your accomplishments for the year that's about to finish. Review your documentation. In the past Business Tips Wednesday, we thought we showed you some app where you can save your documentation. Make sure everything is there for when you need them. Review all of documentation, put them in order. If you want to organize them by month, by department, by product, so organize, review, and organize your documentation. If you're dealing with membership, if you're dealing with members, customers, update your list. Update your list with vendors. Update your customers list. Update everything you need to know so you can be up to date. If you have website, take a good look at it to see things that you need to change, things that didn't work for the past year, or if you want to update the website, make it look better, or change some information, give more. So you look at all of those. It's a very good idea that you evaluate your work at what you have. It allows you to see what you have accomplished throughout the year, and then if you can do better for the upcoming year. So run the business reports, evaluate your records. That's knowing your business. You have to know your business, and then the end of the year, that's the time where you run all the reports that you know everything that's been happening with your business in order to you have a clear picture of where you are in order to really project where you are going to be in the next month, in the next quarter, or in the next year. So running the business reports, knowing your records will help you do just that. The third things you would want to do is to see your accountant, talk to your accountant, because it's about that time where you prepare for tax. So your accountant will help you put everything into perspective. I'm pretty sure the accountant is going to ask you for your records. That was the second tips that we gave you. So be sure to prepare everything and have a talk with your accountant so they can tell you where you stand, what you need to give back to the state or to federal. So it's really important to have a talk with your accountant to exactly know what you need to do. Number three is to assess your need for resources. This is extremely important because most of you, my small business owners, you do everything by yourself, and then sometimes you feel overwhelmed. It's a lot of things that you could use some help with. And once you run your reports, you evaluate your workers, you talk to your accountants, you will see what you have, what are the means that you have, so you can evaluate what are the tasks that you have been doing over the year that you didn't really enjoy, or you can pass over to somebody. Maybe you can hire someone to assist you with those tasks. So if your business allows you to do so, hire somebody. So you will identify staffing, hiring, or outsourcing that you need that will help grow your businesses throughout the year. If you have employee information that you need to update, that's the time where you update them. People who quit, who went to other businesses, and if you want to give bonuses to employees, it is that time. So when you assess your need for resources, you see what you can do to make better partners, better employees, and then that will help you grow your business. So it is very important to assess your need for resources. And then last but not least is set goals for the upcoming year. Set goals for the upcoming year. I know some people, they do that on a daily basis. Some people do that on a weekly basis. But this time, when you do everything that we mentioned earlier, so you will have an idea. You will see how you performed for a quarter, for a semester, or for a year. So you can set up goal for the new year. You can say my goal is to increase my sales by 10%. My goals is to develop a new product. My goal is to develop a new target, to get this no targeting group, and then you go after them. So you have to set goals. We're not talking about crazy goals like we're gonna go to the moon in January. No, set goals that are realistic, attainable, and then you know that you will do everything to reach those goals. So it is very important to look at what you have done, what you have, so you can plan smartly. You can set up goals that your business needs to achieve for the upcoming year. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. It's not really a lot, but those every single one of those tips are really important for you to do when you are running your business, because this time of the year, this is the time where everybody party, where you buy a lot of gifts. It's a lot of things that you have to do. Maybe something will slip through your mind and then you forget to do. So those 5 tips: run the business reports, evaluate your record, see your accountant, assess your need for resources, and set goals for the new year are really, really important. And then they will help you a lot when it comes to running your business. So, thank you very much for being with me tonight. I'll see you next Thursday for another session of Black Wallet Business Tip Wednesday. So thank you very much, and don't forget, I Wallet, you are Black Wallet, we all are Black Wallet. Have a good night.